Hi guys, it's Amma back with another video, and today we are going to do the Robby Keene Cobra Kai Season 5 hairstyle tutorial. I have also done a Season 4 one before and I will leave it in the description below, so please do check it out. Let's go. So we will just start off by doing some quick analysis. So in season 5, Robbie has longer hair, longer on the sides and the top. But throughout the season, he does style it in various different ways. And my favorite one is the slick back variation that he does. So that is what I'm going to draw some inspiration from today. So you'll be able to see that even though his hair is quite long, he's gone for a classic slick back. So even though I have a undercut, I'm still going to take inspiration from the top, and we are going to get that classic slick back look today. So as you can see from the sides, it is a undercut, but I do have enough length on the top to create the classic slick back. So just make sure guys that you have enough length on the top to create this style. So we will start off with the Aveda Thickening Tonic. I love this as a pre-styler. It's good for volume and for texture. So take your hairdryer and your round brush, and we are going to use the round brush to create the style. As you can see, I'm using the vents to style my hair back, and this is a really good technique if you want to add texture and volume in your hair. It's easier to start from the back, guys, and then make your way forward, and that's how you will then at the end create the classic front. Have to stress guys that this is the most important stage of the tutorial. We have to make sure that we create a good base, a strong foundation. Otherwise, when it comes to applying the product, it will not look as good. So please make sure you take the time to create the foundation just to get the best outcome. And don't forget to use the cold setting on your hairdryer, and what that will do, it will blast your hair with cold air, and this will help lock your style in place. So when you have achieved your desired shape, then just go ahead and blast your hair with cold air. You can also use your fingers, guys, to create volume and structure to your hair. So moving on to the product, I'm going to be using the Slick Gorilla Volumizing Powder. It's really good for volume and for texture and helps to create a natural look as well. So just going to distribute that into our hair, and I'm going to take the wide tooth comb and we're just going to comb through the hair. And as I'm combing through, you'll see that it's creating that classic slick back shape that Robbie has in his hairstyle in season 5. Now, some of you might be wondering, what if I don't have volumizing powder? Well, I've got your back as well. You can also use a styling cream or even a pomade. So I'll be using Dapper Dan. So I'll show you a side by side of how it looks styling my hair with these products. So it just goes to show that you don't only need volumizing powder, you can also use pomade if you have one, styling cream if you have one as well. In this hair tutorial, I'm going to stick with my volumizing powder. So once I finish styling, I'm just going to use the back of the comb and use some hairspray. And the reason I'm doing that, guys, is just to make sure that I'm keeping the strands together. And there we have it, guys. That is the final look. I'm a big fan of Cobra Kai and I cannot wait for season 6. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, take care.